Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Jenny. On this channel, I make reviews on packet hairs and I do DIYs on closures and frontal ventilation, including wig making. So today I'll be talking about the May Queen packet hair, the new colors they've produced, and the new packets, the latest price of the hair. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then you need to watch this video to the end. Firstly, I'll be talking about the packaging and presentation of this packet hair. May Queen comes in a very beautiful package. Like, the packaging is top notch. It comes in a beautiful box and it gives the impression of a quality product from the start. Once you see the packet hair, you know that, oh, this is truly a good brand of packet hair. I've wigged this hair for a customer before, and I can boldly tell you that this hair is one of the best luxury physical packet hair you can use to make a wig. May Queen physical packet hair comes in different beautiful colors like the natural color and the piano color. Recently, I noticed that they added the burgundy color. The burgundy color also looks beautiful. If you are looking for a colored hair to get, then you should definitely try this packet hair. This packet hair comes in short length to long length, like from 12 inches to 18 inches. And the price of this hair depends on the length you're getting. Another thing that you should have at the back of your mind when getting this hair is that the colored ones are more expensive than the natural colors. And the longer the length, the more expensive it will be. May Queen Pixie Curl packet hair comes in 4 bundles, and that 4 bundles is a total of 200 grams. The 200 grams is enough to make a full head wig because it's really full after wigging. And it comes with a 4x4 fully ventilated closure, not like the machine sewn closure, but a neatly ventilated closure that you can use to do your side parts, your center part, your C parts, and the rest of it. May Queen Pixie Curl packet hair is extremely full, is soft, and is tangle free. So, talking about the new packet that was produced by May Queen, I noticed that this packet hair, first, it has a different color from the one that was produced before. This one comes in a white pack, but the former one comes in green pack or blue pack. The first video I showed you, you can see the old pack. But this new pack that they produce comes with a 5x5 closure, unlike the first one that comes with a 4x4 closure. So that's the difference. And this new pack also has thin ends. The hair in it has thin ends, unlike the other one that is very full from the weft down to the tip or the ends of the hair. So the new one has thin ends, but it's not really bad because Make Queen products are all very good. They all have very good packet hairs, from their straight hair to their curly hair. They are all quality. So if you're thinking of getting it, you can still go ahead and get it. If you see or if you come across this particular packet hair when you want to get the Make Queen packet hair. But I think the price will be a bit different because this one has thin end and it's not really full. I don't think it's a super double drawn or a double drawn hair like the first one. So for the maintenance of this hair, you need your moisturizer, that's your leave-in conditioner, and your water. You need to get a spray bottle and your brush, your octopus brush. You need to get a brush, your white tooth comb. If you need this hair to be full, you need to just comb it out with your white tooth comb. You don't need to apply any leave-in conditioner or water on it. But if you want it to be extremely soft and wet, you need to apply your leave-in conditioner on it and your water. Then you comb it out using your brush. Then it will come out looking really nice. That's if you need it to be wet. After I wigged this hair for my customer last year, the picture you're seeing on the screen was how it turned out. The wig came out really beautiful. And this is the 14 inches of the piano color. For the price of this hair was sold for about 85,000 naira to 100,000 naira as of last year. But this year, because of the increase in dollar rates, hair is currently sold for 115,000 naira to 150,000 naira, depending on the price. But for this packet hair being a good quality hair, I can guarantee you that this hair is really, really worth buying because it can last you for years. Packet hair that is water friendly and it's a luxury hair. It's something you should consider getting if you're looking for a good brand of Pixie Curl packet hair. If you've watched this video to the end and you find this video really, really helpful, do well to click on that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment and share this video so that YouTube can help recommend this video to others who might be interested. So thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.